So here are the results from my winter sowing for 2024. These are all tomatoes. I planted them in February, I believe, and most of them are in little solo cups like these. This is the, let's see, what's this? San Marzano. I believe I planted 4 seeds in here and all 4 came up. But here they are. I put them in a solo cup like this, and they have holes on the bottom, and they were all covered in little baggies like this. So they've been out in the elements, and as you can see, I've kind of reached the end of the bag. So I'm going to take the covers off and let them live their life. So here they are now, all the bags taken off. And I'll just show you a couple of these. This is the silvery fir. There's 2. And the Amish paste. Let's see what else we have here. This is Purple Heart. This is a dwarf tomato. Got 4 seedlings in there. Let's go. And let's see what this one is. Jet Star. And this one looks a little purple on the stem. Let's see who this is. Oh, this is the moneymaker. Got 3 seedlings. This is the Siberian, the blueberry, and champagne bubbles. So I have 2 different varieties in this cup. I was just about to take off these bags from my winter sown plants, and I thought I'd share that with you. Behind them are just some more solo cups I had planted. Some okra. This is I think the heavy hitter okra. That's not why we're here. I just wanted to take these off and see. I had planted some, I believe they were cucumbers. I believe this was last week. So let's see. Yes, so this is a petite something or the other cucumber. I don't have the label with me. There. Welcome to the world. And I put 2 or 3 in each cup just to make sure at least one of them came up. Let's see this one. Here's the Persian baby cucumber. These are smaller sized snacking cucumbers, I believe. And this year I'm going to try to cover my cucumbers because you get the cucumber beetle really bad. And I'd like to eat some cucumbers this year, if they don't mind. Let's see. This for me is like Christmas. I'm not a big gift person. Don't care too much for gifts, but I believe this is probably what people feel like opening Christmas gifts. This is the Bait Alpha cucumber, another smaller sized variety, so it will be easier to cover up, I hope. 2 of them came up. This one is still trying to poke up from the soil. Isn't that cute? And let's see. I think we're past the danger of frost. I'm in zone 8A, formerly 7B. And I've looked at the 15-day forecast. I don't see anything below 40 degrees, so this is another bait out for a cucumber. I really am trying to eat some cucumbers this year. So these 2 came up. Alright, let's see. I think these are tomatoes I planted earlier in the year. Well, this looks good. This is, let's see, have it on the little tag there. I can dwarf purple heart. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 seedlings. They look happy and healthy. And so let me show you how it looks before I take the bag off. This is a solo cup and the baggie on top of it. And it helps to keep the water in. Now these were kind of hard to keep moist, the soil, compared to the milk jugs. I think I prefer those. I just didn't have enough jugs, so I tried this, but I do prefer the milk jug. Next year I will be trying out a new way to keep the soil from drying out. The soil in these ones got pretty hydrophobic. I have to keep water in them, so we'll work on that next year. A little hard to do this one hand, but this is the Tim's Taste of Paradise and a super sweet 100 in this bag. Put it down so I can take off the bag. So let's see. I think I have 2 of each. I marked it. Let me show you. I'm trying to use 1 cup for 2 varieties, so I put a mark there, a little black mark right there, and then one on the other side just to show where each one is. So there's 2 on this side, and there are 2 on this side, and they're both cherry tomatoes. I have never tried this one before. This is the Tim's Taste of Paradise. And this one from the first year I started planting a garden. Actually the second year, I've had the Super Sweet 100. It's a hybrid, round little red cherries, and they are sweet. I believe the Tim's Taste of Paradise is yellow or orange, but we shall see. And this one is, I was trying out a different method. Let me show you this. So it's a Ziploc bag, and I have basil growing in this one. So I just put some soil in the bag, and I put some carpet paper from a box in to try to hold the shape. I don't think it made a difference. I did some with the carpet paper in it and like a cardboard box, and some without, and I don't think it made a difference. The soil can hold this shape perfectly well. But I have 2 types of basil here. Don't you love my writing? It's so neat. I have the lemon basil and the lime basil. I had lemon basil last year. It was beautiful. It smelled so good. I've never grown the lime basil, but let's see how they're doing in there. They look happy. Look at that. So this is the lemon, and that's the lime. The lime looks taller. Nice. Let me know if you would like to see other videos of me unbagging seedlings from my winter sowing of 2024. If you would like to learn how I grew all these seedlings using winter sowing, click here. Or if you would like to see my 2024 summer garden full of winter sown plants, click here. Like this video if you liked the video, subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time, may you always find joy in your garden and your life. Bye, garden friend.